Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create text like this. So at first, let's enter the text. Go to the left side menu, click letter T, add a heading, and I'm entering "Let's go." We can resize it. And let's search for other font. Go to the top menu and I'm choosing Anton. Now let's change the color. Go to the top menu, click text colors and let it be white. We can change the background. Click on the background, go to the top menu and let it be this one. So now we need to download it. Go to the top menu, click share button, download, choose PNG and transparent background. It is available for Pro account and click download. If you don't have a Pro account, you can click my affiliate link in the description and try Canva Pro free for 30 days. But if you don't need, you can download this picture just as PNG, click download, and then you can go to site remove.bg. So here you can upload an image and here you go. Now you can download it. Then you can take it and drag it to Canva account. So we have our photo. Let's add a new page. So at first we can add the background as picture. So let's go to the elements and search for speed motion on road, choose photos, and here we can choose any photo. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can choose any free photo. So just click on the photo, then click right button and set image as a background. And here you go. Now we can go to uploads and click on our text. Here we see our text. Now we can go to edit image, click edit image and search for slice app. You can find it below maybe. Click on the slice and here we can choose any slice which we want. Then click once again and here we can adjust the settings. And click apply. And here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like, subscribe. And if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you next time.